Okay, welcome back to this video. Now, as I already promised that in this video we are going to learn how to convert this normal footage into a cinematic footage. So for converting this video into a cinematic footage, first thing is we need to have these cinematic parts in over here. Okay, so for that let me first show you. Okay, so first here in this project panel, let's click on right click and let's click on new item, and here we will select the option for adjustment layer. Okay, so you can see that here we will click on OK. Now we will drag this adjustment layer on top of this footage. Okay, so now you are going to think that what happened? Nothing happened. This video is the same as it was in the previous one. So what was the need of adjustment layer? Well, adjustment layer is a kind of layer that is in which you can put effects, or you can put color correction, you can even increase you can even put LUTs in it, you can do even effects, you can even add text, so you can totally add anything on this layer. This is just similar to Photoshop. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to click here and we are going to increase it. Okay, so okay, so this, now let's click on here and adjust it to where the video is. Now we will click on this effect option. Let me show you by maximizing it. Okay, so we will click on this effect option. Now let me tell you, if you don't know how to open this effect panel, go to window and go to effects and click, or you can use the shortcut key Shift+7 and click on here. Okay, so sorry, so now what we need to do is we need to click on here in the effects. After clicking on the effects option, this is what opens, and here just write crop and you will see this option appears. So just drag it and drop it on the adjustment layer. Remember, drop it on the adjustment layer. Okay, so after dropping it, you will see here we will get this option, that is the crop option. So just click on this top and just increase it to, I always do 12%, or you can write the value 12, hit enter, and then select this bottom value to 12%. Let me do it. Okay, so now we have adjusted these two levels. Okay, so now our crop thing is ready and we will play it once. You can see, so our video is converted to cinematic. Now the second thing is, rule of converting this cinematic is, if we slow down the video a little bit. So what we need to do is we need to click on speed duration, and here we will slow down to 90%, hit enter, increase it and increase the adjustment layer. So one thing for you guys, always in cinematic videos, always slow down or shoot at a 24 frame rate per second. Okay, otherwise you can slow down, because slowing down a video makes it look more cinematic. Okay, okay, so I guess that our video is now completed. Now let me show you how our video looks.